What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about this 1022 Micro Draco. So I downloaded these files from a guy named Camworks. He is located on Forged by 3D. You may have seen lots of his stuff. He does things from Halo to just one-off bullpups and stuff like this. So this is basically just all printed in PLA+. I think everything is going to be about 20% infill. And then I did fuzzy skin, the same thing I do with my Glocks to get that nice finish. And you can even see that nice finish. A couple scuffs and stuff. The receiver over here, it is a 3D printed receiver. It is a Ivan the Troll that was custom fitted for this chassis here. Foregrip up at the front, fake little sight and stuff. I'm thinking about cutting down the barrel, so it will be hidden down here, and plus I'm never really going to put any anything on the threads. So this is a pretty cool kit. So the dust cover and this is just one piece, and they slide into place and then get screwed in with a bolt and nut down here. Then this piece over here, this lower piece, gets bolted to this one with a nut and a bolt, clamping these together, and the dust cover goes underneath it. Lastly, this is just friction fit, the hand guard. It fits into this cutout here, and then the little sight and everything gets bolted on right there. Then little M3 nut and bolt. Same thing with this. You got M5 nut bolts in here, and there's our back plate in case you wanted to add a brace, which are, well, not going to add a brace anymore. The only issue I had was this actually had a grip that came with it. It was cartoonishly large, and it actually broke. You can tell the grip. I did the layer lines going this way, back and forth, and so if you slide something into this dovetail cut here, it will obviously break through the layer lines. You know, just unadhere the layers. So what I did is I honestly got an AK grip from a Palmetto AKM, and that I just had laying around, and I super glued that bad boy on there, and it's pretty tight. I don't think it's going anywhere. So that's just a quick little overview. I know YouTube says we're not supposed to take out magazines or anything anymore. I think that's only for 30 round mags though. Anything over 30 plus. So this is a 15 round mag. I guess we'll find out, but you know, we kind of got the AK style in there. You can see the whole bottom where the receiver goes into here, and where I super glued this grip, like I said, which is on there really well, to the chassis. But yeah, seems like it's pretty good. I would recommend getting an extended bolt, because your normal bolt, sorry for the shake, normal bolt's not going to stick out far enough for you to hit it. As you can see, this one barely sticks out. It gives you a weird look in your fingers too. Still haven't shot this thing. It actually was from a buddy of mine. He had a Ruger Charger, and the receiver was bent from factory. He thought it was a bolt, and so many different things tried to fix it. He finally gave up and said, "You can have this gun. I don't want it." And so I had to print a new receiver. Sadly, the old receiver, which was out of spec from factory, was out of warranty, so they told me, you know, go figure it out yourself, even though it was Ruger's fault for sending a bent receiver to him. So I should have a video of me taking this to range. We took it last time with the bent receiver. I tried to bend it back, but it was shooting 2 or 3 rounds, and then it would get caught again. It would jam. So we'll see with the printed receiver. I've manually fed it a few times, just threw 15 rounds in here, chambered them and everything, and it seems to work perfectly fine, but we shall see. It does look pretty cool. It is a cool kit. I really enjoy this guy's work. So Camworks 3D, I will give him a little bit of crap. The grip he made and the system for it is just horrible. The fact that you're supposed to make this grip and slide it into the dovetail down here and lock it in with this plate is just stupid. Especially considering that everything else is bolted. Like, these slide, this chassis here and the dust cover slide together, and then they're bolted together from here, from the top to the bottom with the nut, and then from the back to the front with the nut. And then the same thing here, the front trunnion here is bolted to this. So everything is bolted except for the stock hand grip. I can excuse this because this stays on there real tough. I took it off the other day. The friction fit is amazing. And actually this little safety does work. Not with the aftermarket bolt, I guess, but if you have a normal bolt, it's curved, so this will actually fit behind it. Just like that. It's just a little harder. But the safety actually does move, which is kind of cool. You know, so you could actually use it as a safety where I can't chamber it around until I move this. But we'll see. I plan to get a little red dot, which I already bought. It's supposed to come in today, actually. Little micro red dot, Chinese one. I'm gonna put it right here because obviously that front sight is not very reliable as it moves around. But I'll keep you guys updated on this. So printed receiver, printed chassis, and it is a pretty cool little range toy. I am so excited to shoot this, but that's gonna be it for today, guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys later.